Hey, I'm Brian Van, Sportbike and today we're going to do a ride review on the RST TracTech Evo R CE Kangaroo race gloves. We introduced this product on the site sometime in January of this year, and they were really successful. We actually sold through the batch that we had purchased very quickly. RST is not a brand that's fully distributed in the US like Alpine Stars or some of the other brands that you see on the website. So it makes the whole proposition a little bit unique in some ways. From the moment I reviewed the gloves, I said to myself, I want to get a pair of these because selling at $119 with full Kangaroo and a palm slider and all the Kevlar lining, right? This has everything it takes to be a top level $200+ race glove. And when you put this one head to head, side by side to the other models that sell for those price points, this one doesn't look like it's missing anything. That's the reality of it. So I wanted to get a pair and I wanted to ride them myself to see how did I feel about it out on the bike. Sizing. I wear a 2X in almost every common glove out there. I took a 2X in these and I would say the fit is spot on. The feel was amazing. The break-in, it was basically zero. I slid my hands in these things and I was ready to go and ride on the very first lap, which is something when we did that glove shootout in 2018, beginning of 2019, something I learned with a pair of gloves is they really need to fit really, really great right out of the bag. If they don't, and they need to stretch quite a bit, that's hard on the glove. It makes the riding experience negative. So moving forward, right, from that piece that we did, we really focus now on getting a great fit right out of the bag with a very reasonable amount of break-in, and these deliver just that. A lot of that is going to come from just the overall cut of the glove, the motion panels here and the control fingers. I mean, it literally feels like I've got nothing in between my fingers and the controls. I like that. Floating armor here in the thumb, floating armor here in the knuckle. They go as far as they've developed a removable armor that goes here in the knuckle. Let's see if I can get it out. It's a little tough when you have the glove on, but that's a piece of armor like you'd see in the shoulder of a race suit or a jacket. They've done the same thing here in the thumb area as well. That little piece will actually just pull out. It needs to be in there because that's going to help to manage that big impact. So you have the carbon fiber knuckle as well as the armor underneath, but it doesn't feel cumbersome at all. The palm slider, that is a key element for any race glove. It has to be there, and you can see here, all this yellow fabric, that's going to be an Aramid fabric, like a Kevlar style fabric. So in this palm, you got a couple layers of Kangaroo along with that Aramid fabric, and look at the multiple rows of stitching, right? And that's Kevlar thread there too. They're using some really high-end thread to help hold the glove together. The workmanship looks really, really nice. Love the Kangaroo, love the fit, love the feel. And here's something that we identify with this glove too. We have one of our local guys in here, Lane. He was heading to pit race to do some riding and racing over the weekend with Weir and N2. And the pair of gloves he has right now, he goes, I love them. He goes, but man, putting them on and taking them off, he's like, they're just so darn tight right around the cuff. He goes, I have a hard time getting them on, especially when my hands are sweaty. And I said, dude, you need to try a pair of these because watch that. And my hands are a little sweaty right now because I've been wearing these for a few minutes, right? So easy on, easy off. Great fit, like a nice tailored fit. I really think they did a great job hitting all the marks. And this is a unique product line for us because of the lack of full distribution here in the US. In order to bring these products to you all, right, we had to source this stuff direct. And that's a really complicated thing for us because that's not how we're used to doing business here. But after riding in these gloves and then offering the RST products for the first half of 2019, I quickly identified the fact that this is the kind of stuff that the riders who shop at STG really long for. Kick-ass products that sell at a very fair price, and that's what RST is all about. If you're looking for a brand new pair of full gauntlet race gloves, don't look at the $119 price point and go, this is some entry-level stuff. These aren't for me. I need to shop at $200. I want you to give these a good hard look. Better yet, push the buy now button, buy a pair, take them out and ride in them, and then leave your feedback in this video and see whether you agree with me or not. I love them. I think you will too. These are the TracTech Evo R CE Kangaroo gloves. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com.